The journey begins with the precision harvest of sun-ripened pomegranates, carefully selected at peak flavor.
Initial cleaning removes farm debris, ensuring only pure fruit enters the facility. Skilled human hands ensure a rigorous initial quality check, stabilizing the final flavor. Automated sizing categorizes the fruit, critical for maximizing the extraction efficiency. Digital eyes scan beneath the surface, identifying internal defects invisible to the naked eye. Pre-washing removes superficial contaminants, finalizing field sanitation before factory entry. Human verification confirms the success of the pre-washing and sanitation cycle. Elevation prepares the fruit for its gravity-fed entry into the facility's secure processing zone. The harvest is complete, and the fruit is now secure within the fortress of the modern processing line. Internal transport systems move the bulk harvest from the intake zone to the climate-controlled processing halls. Every internal movement is synchronized to maintain a continuous, unblocked flow of raw material. Precise weight verification ensures that every batch is tracked for yield and efficiency metrics. Vertical transport maximizes factory footprint, moving the fruit to the start of the purification line. Strategically placed transport rails allow for seamless movement across different processing elevations. Hydroconveying is a gentle method of transport that cleans the fruit while preventing bruising. Constant human monitoring prevents blockages in the automated hydrotransport system. Efficient dewatering is essential before the fruit enters the high-precision sorting stage. Automated alignment prepares the pomegranates for individual high-speed processing. The transition to the core facility is complete, with the fruit perfectly prepared for the cleaning cycle. Protecting the purity of the juice begins with a facility designed to be a fortress of food safety. Every entry point is a controlled barrier, ensuring only authorized personnel enter the production zone. Physical contaminants are neutralized at the threshold to maintain a sterile manufacturing environment. Comprehensive personal protective equipment is a mandatory layer of the factory's quality assurance protocol. This pressurized chamber ensures that no external particles compromise the juice's purity. The factory interior is a choreographed ecosystem of heavy machinery and digital precision. Centralized monitoring allows for total control over the raw material as it begins its transformation. Transitioning the raw harvest into the internal line marks the start of the heavy cleaning cycle. Human vigilance at the entry point prevents mechanical downtime later in the process. With the entry complete, the fruit is now fully immersed in the factory's rigorous cleaning system. Removing heavy debris at the start protects the delicate extraction machinery from mechanical damage. Manual sorting ensures that only the most pristine raw materials reach the core processing stages. Intense mechanical washing is the first step in neutralizing external bacterial loads. Removing the crown prevents bitter tannins from the woody husk from contaminating the juice. Precision hand inspection removes any traces of impurities that automated systems might miss. Optical sensors scan at the speed of light to guarantee a final product of pure, consistent quality. Final sanitation ensures the fruit is free of pathogens before the skin is breached for extraction. Constant density checks allow the factory to predict the final juice sweetness of every batch. Cleaned, trimmed, and verified, the pomegranates are now ready for their core transformation into premium juice. Core processing begins with a precise cut, exposing the juice-filled arils without crushing the bitter pith. Constant flow regulation ensures a consistent volume of fruit is delivered to the primary extraction press. Cold press extraction preserves the delicate antioxidants and flavor profile by avoiding heat during the juicing process. Removing oxygen prevents oxidation, maintaining the vibrant ruby color and fresh taste of the pomegranate. Rapid chilling stabilizes the juice, preventing any enzymatic breakdown before the pasteurization stage. Flash pasteurization neutralizes any potential bacteria while minimizing the impact of heat on the juice's nutrients. The core extraction and stabilization are complete. The raw juice is now a sterile, premium base ready for bottling. Main transformation begins with vacuum concentration to achieve the consistent Brix level required for premium juice. Precision blending ensures a uniform taste profile, removing any natural variations between different pomegranate harvests. Manual sampling at the blending stage provides an immediate visual check for clarity and deep ruby consistency. Homogenization uses extreme pressure to prevent juice separation, guaranteeing a smooth, shelf-stable texture. Nutritional enrichment fortifies the juice, naturally preserving the fresh pomegranate flavor for longer durations. Turbulence-based mixing is used to ensure every drop of juice contains the exact same nutrient density. Removing air pockets prevents spoilage and stabilizes the liquid for the high-speed bottling lines. Brix level is 16.5 degrees, approving batch. Scientific verification of the sugar content ensures the juice meets the exact sweetness profile expected by the consumer. Optical spectrometers provide a final color audit, ensuring every bottle of juice is a perfect, vibrant red. The transformation is complete. The raw fruit has been turned into a refined, premium juice ready for global distribution. Ionized air rinsing ensures every container is perfectly sterile before meeting the premium juice. Advanced HMI systems allow operators to manage the entire automation ecosystem with real-time digital accuracy. Laser-controlled filling ensures zero waste and maintains a perfectly consistent volume across every bottle. Automated capping locks in the fresh flavor, creating an airtight barrier against external contaminants. Induction sealing provides a tamper-evident layer, guaranteeing the juice's integrity for the end user. Removing every drop of moisture ensures the adhesive labels bond permanently to the cold glass. High-speed labeling gives the juice its premium identity, applied with sub-millimeter precision. Robotic case packing prevents bottle damage, preparing the juice for the final stage of the production line. Automation has turned the refined juice into a retail asset, ready for the final finishing touches. Finishing begins with weight verification to ensure every case contains the full count of premium juice. High-strength structural adhesive creates a tamper-evident seal that survives the rigors of global transit. Corner reinforcement ensures the cases maintain their shape when stacked in high-density warehouse racks. Large-scale X-ray scanning provides a final, uncompromising safety check for the entire finished case. Laser-coded data provides a permanent, smudge-proof record for total product traceability. Robotic palletizing creates perfectly balanced loads, maximizing efficiency in the shipping container. High-tension film provides a final moisture-proof barrier and stabilizes the load for sea and land transport. Master labeling links every individual bottle in the shipment to a single, scannable digital manifest. Pallet stable, wrap tension good. Final pass, releasing to lab. Human verification remains the ultimate gatekeeper before the finished product is released to the laboratory. The finishing line is complete. The juice is now staged and ready for its most rigorous scientific evaluation. Quality control begins with rigorous mass verification to ensure sample consistency for all chemical assays. Precise Brix levels are critical to ensure the natural sweetness of the pomegranate is perfectly captured. Monitoring acidity ensures the juice maintains its signature tart flavor and natural preservation properties. Advanced chromatography guarantees that every bottle is packed with the pomegranate's natural health benefits. Microscopic particle analysis ensures the juice provides the silky smooth mouthfeel required for a premium beverage. Optical color purity is the visual hallmark of the factory's superior cold press and deaeration process. Biological testing provides the ultimate layer of defense in the factory's food safety ecosystem. Final batch approval is the culmination of hours of scientific scrutiny and industrial precision. With the seal of quality secured, the pomegranate juice is cleared for its final journey into the global market. The final journey begins in the dispatch hub, where every batch is organized for rapid global distribution. Climate-controlled containers maintain the juice's cold chain integrity from the factory to the destination. Secure bracing prevents product shift, ensuring the glass bottles arrive at the retailer in pristine condition. Once sealed, the shipment is a protected asset, ready for transit under constant GPS surveillance. The facility's output powers a global supply chain, delivering premium pomegranate juice to the world.
Scanning bill of lading now. Scan confirmed, you're clear to proceed. Barrier lifting, safe travels.
From raw fruit to premium juice, the industrial cycle is a testament to modern engineering and food safety.
And this is how modern factories produce premium pomegranate juice from start to finish.